Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here again, and we're going to continue our study skills series, dedicating this show to this very nice young lady who's very, very smart, and her topic is dividing integers. So let's get going. Remember, if you need homework help, there's Dial a Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursdays from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They'll really help you out. They're nice people. Don't forget to watch our YouTube study videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS, Peekskill Middle School. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. And write us a comment. I'll be glad to write you back. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 21. Tweet me at drobmath1. Don't forget to watch our show Mathtime on Tuesdays from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, only in Peekskill on Channel 15. All right, let's get going. Our first vocabulary word is quotient. Since we are dividing integers, the quotient is the answer to division. So a couple things you should know about it. If you saw my video on multiplying integers, dividing integers has the same rules. So the same signs would give you positive, different signs would give you negative. So here we have 12 divided by 6 is positive 2, and negative 12 divided by negative 6 is also positive 2. So the signs are both the same. Positive is positive, and negative divided by negative is also positive. So same signs, positive. Different signs. So 12 divided by negative 6 is negative 2, or negative 12 divided by positive 6 is also negative 2. So when the signs are different, it is negative. So these are the exact same rules as multiplication of integers. So check out that video if you haven't seen it. Now, one thing I'd like to mention, usually you've seen this division sign before, the old style division sign, but I want you to know that fractions are also division problem. So when you get into the higher grades, starting in 7th grade on up, you start to see division as a fraction bar. So 12 over 6 is the fraction, which would normally be an improper fraction, but we call it 12 divided by 6 and simplifies down to 2. So negative 12 divided by negative 6 is also equal to 2. So the signs are the same, equals positive. When the signs are different, 12 divided by negative 6 would equal to negative 2, or negative 12 divided by positive 6 also equals negative 2. So when the signs are different, it is equal to negative. So now that we got those rules out of the way, I'm going to tell you, you can use your calculator to really help you out in this situation. So I'm going to get my calculator to find the quotient, if possible, of these examples. So I'm going to type in my first number, 8, press divide, and negative 4, and whoops, let me put my parenthesis there, parenthesis, and negative 4, parenthesis, and now it looks exactly like that. So now I can press enter, and I get my answer of negative 2. So the first one, got to make sure that I have the same exact thing as the question, and that's really the thing you got to worry about, just making sure it's the same, because it will always give you the right answer if you type the same question. So negative 2 is correct. So let's see if you can do the next one without me. So take a second, pause the videotape, see if you can divide negative 15 divided by negative 3. Okay, I'm going to get my calculator back. Let me clear that out. And negative 15 divided by parenthesis, parenthesis, negative 3, parenthesis, and press enter, and I get 5. So it looks the same to me. So let's pull it out just to make sure you see it. And I'll put that on the side over here. And I get 5. Yes, that's my answer. So as long as it looks the same, and I'll move that over a little bit. As long as it looks exactly the same, you're going to get the right answer all the time. So I'm going to leave the rest to you all to deal with. And I'm looking at number 6. There's that fraction I was talking about. So let me get my calculator just one more time, and I'm going to change the mode from classic to math print. Well, it is on math print. So, why is that not coming out though? All right. Well, it's on math print. Let's see. All right. Sorry. 18. Let's clear this out. Second quit. Clear. I'm going to try 18 fraction bar. There we go. It's in math print. Divided by, so there's my fraction bar, -6. Okay, let me move over. So that looks exactly like number 6. So now all I got to do is press enter, and there's my answer, -3. So remember, as I said, fractions are really division problems. So it looks exactly the same, and that means my answer is going to be -3, which is correct. So your job is to make sure you get the same thing typed into your calculator as it is there. So don't get fooled because you don't see the regular division sign, and you're not going to see it much in 7th grade. But please make sure you just type in exactly as you see. If you have that nice calculator that I have, I think you'll do very well with it. If you don't have that calculator, always go to the Decimal Scientific Calculator, which will be very helpful because it has a fraction button. So I hope you're understanding what's going on. If you're not sure, rewatch the video, write down your questions, and bring them in tomorrow. I'll be glad to see what we can do. Here's some more questions. This one's interesting. 15 over 0. So 15 divided by 0. That's interesting. I never divided by 0 before in my class. So let's see what happens when we do it. And I have it in math print, so that means my fraction button I'm going to use. And now I'm going to divide by 0, so that way it'll look just like the question. So 15 divided by 0, you'll be surprised what you get. Oh, you get an error message. Divide by 0 error. The reason why you get that error message is because you're not allowed to divide by 0. So you can divide by any number you want to except 0. So keep that in mind. So don't divide by 0 because you get a divide by 0 error. And I'll show you what you can get if you really want to divide by 0. So you have to come to my class to see what is another answer that we can accept. So here's a good one down there. Your team dives for lobsters, 28 of them, over 7 days. What's the average daily lobster catch? So you're doing it over 7 days, so it looks to me like you have a division problem. 28 lobsters divided by 7 days. So what would be the average daily catch? So I would divide that and see what you get. How many lobsters per day? So I think I'm finished for now. So I hope you enjoyed what we did so far and you're understanding what's going on. If you're not sure, rewatch the video, write down your questions, and bring them in. So if you need help, there's always Dial a Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursdays, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They'll help you out. Don't forget to watch my YouTube videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS. Subscribe to our channel. Help us to get to our next 1,000 subscribers. We're marching on, so tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Write us a comment. I do write you back. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 21, about the pandemic. Tweet me at drobmath1. Don't forget to watch our show Mathtime on Tuesdays from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision Channel 15, only in Peekskill. So if you would like some more information and a copy of a worksheet on the topic that we just did, write me at drobinson@peekskillschools.org. So there's little Kinsley, Math Prep 21, The Pandemic. Good movie. Check it out. So I hope you enjoyed our study skills movie dedicated to this nice young lady here, dividing integers. So I'm going to call it quits for today. So thank you so much. And that's it for now. So Dr. Rob signing off.